Um, this on. Okay. Today I'm playing Fortnite. I'm playing Summer Thrills. So, this is my stuff up there. That's my bag, my feet, and this is my skin. Yeah. If you don't want to.
I just can't figure out where it's coming from.
And I don't really turn it off now. So let's into it. Sorry if you don't like this video. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. So guys, this is what you see. We have all of these. What do I like? I can't. It's so boring. Guys, hopefully I'll get videos. Get a good amount of views. And yeah, this is my new points. The first time ever. Yeah, like this. Today we're also going to be playing this. After I was like,